Hello everyone. Till now we have made the basic gates using the universal gates. Now we will make XOR and XNOR using the universal gates. See, A XOR B is represented by this circuit diagram. This is the XOR gate which is equivalent to this expression. So this is the circuit diagram for this equivalent expression. Now see, in this circuit diagram we have basic gates NOT, AND and OR. So we will replace these basic gates by the universal gates. See, we have already done the representation of these basic gates through the NOR and NAND gate. So we will replace these NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate by these universal gates. So one by one we will make the circuit diagram. First we will make the circuit diagram for NOR gate. So we will make the OR gate, XOR gate using the NOR gate. See, in this circuit we have the NOT gate. We have two input lines A and B, and in B we have NOT gate. So we'll use A, so input line A and input line B. And in place of this NOT gate we will use the NOR gate. So NOR gate, this is the representation of NOT gate using the NOR gate. Now these two input lines are connected with the AND gate. Now we will make the AND gate. So this is the representation of AND gate using NOR gate. So we'll add this AND gate here. So simply we have to remove the basic gates with the universal gates here. See, we have added one AND gate here. Similarly, we have two input lines A and B, NOT gate and again AND gate. So we'll make again an input line A, and we have a NOT gate here. So we'll add a NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. Similarly, input line B. And this AND gate we will again add a NOR representation of this AND gate. So this is the AND gate. Fine. Now these two outputs are going through this OR gate. So now we have to make the OR gate, and OR gate we can represent using this. So we'll add a OR gate here. See, now this is the required output, A XOR B. So we have to simply replace the basic gates by the universal gate representation. Similarly, we can make the circuit diagram using NAND gate. Fine. So using NAND gate, again we'll make, see, two input lines and B has a NOT. So we will make input line A and input line B, and for NOT we will use NAND gate here. This is the NAND gate. Now these two input lines were connected to a AND gate here, so we'll make a AND gate. This is the representation of AND gate using NAND gate. So we'll add a AND gate. Similarly, we have two input line A and input line B. A has a NOT. These are again connected to a AND gate, so we'll again make a AND gate here. And finally we will add a OR gate. So OR gate representation using NAND gate is like this. So we will add this OR gate here. Now this is the required output, A XOR B. Similarly for XNOR also we will do the same. XNOR is the NOT of XOR gate, or we can write it like this. Fine. So it has an equivalent expression, A dot B plus A naught dot B naught. This is the circuit diagram. We will replace these basic gates by the universal gates. First we will use NOR gate for making this XNOR gate. So we have input line A, we have input line B, and which is attached to AND gate. So we'll add an AND gate here. This is the AND gate. Similarly, we have two input line A and B connected to a NOT. So we'll add A and a NOT of this. Similarly, input line B and NOT. Now these NOT are connected with the AND gate. So again we'll make a AND gate. This is the AND gate. Now these two AND gates are connected to a OR. So we will add these two lines to a OR gate. This is A XNOR B. Now similarly we will make XNOR using a NAND gate. So first two input line connected to a AND gate. So we'll make two input line A and B, and they are connected to a AND gate. So we'll make a AND gate here. This is the AND gate. Then two input lines connected to NOT and finally connected to AND gate. So for first input line A, its NOT will be this. Similarly second input line B, and its NOT will be this. And these two are connected to a AND gate. Now these two AND gates are connected to a OR. Now we will connect these two lines to a OR gate. So this is the required OR gate. This is A XNOR B. So in this we can make XOR gate and XNOR gate using the universal gates.